how to convert video to MP3. So if you want to convert videos to MP3, then what you need to do is you just need to simply go with your browser, any browser that you're comfortable with, and go with search. And here you need to search for video to MP3 converter. Once you search for it, here you will have all of the websites that will provide you from video to MP3. So you just need to simply go with any website that you're comfortable with. And here you need to choose your file. So I'll just simply choose from my device. So just click on device and then select your video. So once you select your video, you need to go with open and go with convert. And it might take a few seconds. So just wait for a few seconds. And then once it finished uploading, then you will have the download option on the right side. You can simply click on the download button. So it has been done. So click on download and it will start the downloading process. So on the upper right, you can see that it has been downloaded. So that's it. That's how you can download. You can also just click on it and then you will have the MP3. So that's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.